connect this too. All right, we'll just edit this too. It just says part 2. Part 2. Yeah, save. Okay. All right. Okay, we're back. We be back now. Yeah, I'll probably just hang out here until the open here, guys. Really, and then I'm gonna order some sushi, some sush dog, and then yeah, that'll be it. Yeah, not too much to talk about here because we're kind of in positions here. I'm not going to be trading this ES anymore, not right now anyway. I'm just taking a little break from it. Connection to server lost, man. Really? Just disconnect all this and then reconnect. Really, a little bit of a nightmare with this shit sometimes, with the streaming shit. I'm pretty tech, aware. Yeah, this is working. Okay, I think we're all good here now. So yeah, nice to see that dump on the euro. Really. Finally, you know what I mean? Now we just need a little follow through here. This is a weekly. It's a weekly level. Thanks for that follow, also, Old School. Appreciate it. I didn't see it earlier, just now. Did the alert come on the screen? I didn't even see it, man. Make sure the alerts are working here. Oh yeah, must have. Let's replay it. Oh yeah. There you go. Appreciate that. I appreciate it, brother. No, I was just asking you before what's your plan? Are you still looking to come out here, or are you still interested? Before you were interested in villa rental, yeah? In renting or buying and renting? Really, lots of opportunity here, man. Oh yeah, that sucks, dude. Getting old does suck for sure. I hear you. I'm old myself now. 45. Yeah, if you have health problems too, you know. I mean, it's not like the healthcare is bad here. It's just that you need to be like wary of your proximity to the hospital. Like they're building a brand new, you know, state-of-the-art hospital here. But, you know, the healthcare here, you need to pay for everything, right? But you're from the States, so it's probably cheaper still than there. I don't know. I'm from Canada. Healthcare is free, but it's shit. I rather it like this, right? I rather it where I pay for it, but I get what I pay for. And like, it's really not that bad. If you have to go in, like for, let's say for emergency heart surgery, cost about $15,000 US. So it's not too bad. Yeah, I was gonna order sushi. Oh yeah. Really, one of the best parts about living here is the food delivery. I swear to you guys, man. It's epic. It's awesome. I'm gonna order sushi right now. It's gonna be here in 30 minutes, and it's gonna cost me like $4. I'll let you know exactly how much it is. Food. Dismiss. This. I'm getting a bunch. I'm getting 5 pieces of atomic roll, 5 pieces of volcano roll, and 8 pieces of Mexican roll. And all that is gonna come to $5. Delivered. It might even be cheaper. I bet you there's a discount code. There always is. There is 10% off. Nice. Yeah, so about $4.50 US. So stupid, man. Really, that's dumb. Sushi every day, no doubt. And like, you know, the sushi is good here. We live on an island, right? So like the fish is good. All right, it's in the kitchen, man. It'll be here in 30 minutes, not even. Yeah, about 30 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, this short is still banging. Let's go. Let's get it, boys. Things are looking up. Finally out of this rat race from last week of shorting this thing and not winning. Things are good now, man. The shorts banging. We got sushi on the way. What's up, brother? Ken. Thanks for dropping in. Welcome in. Going great, man. Just riding this euro short, banging right now. Our crypto positions banging. Really, we should bring up the Discord, right? And look at our crypto positions versus the Discord. Can you check the chart? Boys, it's called. Okay, yeah, sure. Let's check it. Reconnect, man. Boys. What is this crap? It's called Boys. It's crypto, yeah? Is this it? This ether wrap thing again? Boys Club. I bet you it's this. Nah, can't look at the links, man, anymore. But yeah, I go fire it in and let's see. I don't know. My charting software is having a problem shitting the bed here right now. You know? Can we just look at anything? I think I need to restart this. Let me just restart this. One sec, boys. Am I connected right now? No. Let me just restart this. Make sure. All right. Boys. We'll find out which one it is. This is it. This is the ether one. Not bad. Versus ether. This must be the USD one. 0.0. Oh yeah, sorry. .012, boys. You know, it's hard because you don't know which one of these stupid things it is, you know what I mean? There, this is it. Finally. Not too much data, but enough data. This is the weekly body, right? Here. Get the fucking magnet out here so there's no confusion. Taking the liquidity, holding the daily body level here. And this was a valid level. This was the next level down, right? This right here. So that's what they're trying to hold. They're failing the daily though, right? So until they get above this, until they get above that, I'd expect more down. If they get above this, then on the retest of this area is where you'd want to take serious positions and target here. Yeah, I know this is the chart. Oh, this isn't the one? You said 0.012, right? Oh my God, just blinder, you know? Like, what am I supposed to do with this? You know, I can't TA this. Okay, here at least I can. Can we just full screen this? Okay. Okay, we got there, guys. We got there, guys. Let's get this on the 4 hour first here for a second. The 4 hour. So gain the 4. Put a fucking line on this thing. Here we go. Holding the weak, holding the top zone. Did we gain the daily? We probably did. We did gain the daily. So really the level to be watching now to the downside, you don't want it to get much more below this. So that would be the level to hold. If they hold the top of this, it's good. It's okay too. The top of this. It's kind of the areas to hold. So you don't really want it to get much more below that for continuation on the top side. You think this will go to 10? Yeah, well, who knows, right? You don't really know. 10 cents would be back to all-time high. So this, the top side, I'd be watching this, right? Liquidity above 6 cents. 8 cents is the rejection. So you should be taking anything you trade down here, 100%. You should take a lot of profits by the time it gets to here. 10 cents would be the swing. But like this is the rejection zone, right? The top side of this. The bottom side has been tested already. So the top side is at 8.4 cents. Yeah, 8.4, 8.3, something like that. 8 cents, around 8 cents is where you should be taking heavy profit targets. But like even if you start getting over top of like this, you should take profit targets. Over 4 cents, you should take profit targets. Even over here, you should take a bit. 3 cents, 4 cents, take a bit. 6 cents, take a bit, and then 8 cents, take a bit. Because you don't know when this could fail again, right? This is going to be a big level to get across to. This right here, 4. So if it starts getting above 4, then this is the level to hold, right? Yeah, that's kind of what you want to look at. I don't know if you want to take a screenshot of this or what. But these are the main levels of this chart. You can take a screenshot of it. Get it a little bigger for it. Get it a little bigger for you. There you go. Oi. Boys. The boys are back. Yeah, brother, no worries. I think I might take one more profit target on this stupid thing. All right. I didn't really long ETH, but I longed a whole whack of coins. Yeah, like we're in a whole bunch of positions, right? You can see it out here on the screen. Just adjust this a bit, man, because it's a little wrong. Put this up. I need to readjust this stuff here. It's not exactly right. This is gonna get adjusted once this is all complete. But yeah, you can see them on the right hand side there. The whole bunch of positions that we're in. Those all went out in yeah, Bitcoin. Those all went out in Discord, man. Every single one of them went out in Discord before they happened. You know, really every single one. We could just handing things out like candy over here for you guys. Exactly what the trade is, exactly what to do. You know what I mean? It's pretty funny. It's pretty funny, man. Yeah, so it's going pretty well. Not too bad. Yeah, we'll see, you know. Bitcoin's still in a getting into a failure spot here, right? So this is a failure spot for Bitcoin. We'll see if it fails mid-range, but you know, I still think that we're gonna see crypto down here. I could be wrong. It's funny that I'm in a whole bunch of longs, but I still think that we're gonna see lower levels in crypto. All stops are in profit, so it's not a huge deal. But this is they're failing this right now. This is the spot for continued downtrend. Will this little level hold here? I think it's more likely that they'll take the liquidity out from underneath here and then blast it, but that's just me. But it was pretty easy setups here on Bitcoin. Bitcoin was down here, you know, came down into the level, gained to 15, came back down, retested it, and then when they did this, right here is where I took a whole bunch of positions on altcoins. And then on the 4 hour, this was the big play on Bitcoin, holding this 4 hour, gaining this 4 hour, and then holding it. And then in here is where we took positions on for longs, right here, I believe right there. You know, coming in, holding the 4 hour. This is where we took our leveraged Bitcoin longs. Oh, sorry, I was wrong here. My bad. I was looking at the wrong thing. Right here. So when they came back down here, they had gained the 4 hour right here. So when they came back down and they held this, the bottom of this swing here, the bottom of it, they held it. So when they gained the 15 is when they came back down, is where we took longs. You can see a lot of people took longs there, right? Because that you know, it was a very good setup for trading. A lot of people took longs. So right now they came down, they're holding on to this 4. Really you don't want to see them any lower than this. You want them to hold the top of this level that made this for continuation. So there is a little liquidity pocket right here. So maybe they'll take that. I don't know. My stop's been moved up at this point. My stop's like here. So we'll see. Yeah, really it's this, right? Like you want them to hold things. It's the name of the game here with this shit. So you want them to hold this, right? Or hold something in here. When they come back down to test, you want them to hold something in here. Be it this, be it the top of this, be it this, be it this thing here, or this. This is the absolute last thing to hold. If they start having closes below that, then it's probably turning around. Kind of the name of the game. Well, we got a couple profit targets anyway, and in the euro. Really, I got beat up in the euro last week, man. Trying to short this fucking thing all week. Sucked. I lost like $400. On the way. I checked just now. Okay, we got market open here in 7 minutes. We're gonna see the market open, and then probably that's gonna be the stream for today, boys. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you check out the YouTube channel. We did put out the top 50 crypto coins. We do a review on that. I'm gonna do another series where I just do dumpster diving for stocks and just look for stocks that are just in the gutter and just showing signs of reversals. Dumpster diving with Jay. And then I'm also going to be hiring a social media manager soon for helping with promotion on the YouTube side. So hopefully that starts picking up. I can do some on request for you right now if you want. Any of you guys, I know there's a couple of other people lurking here too, man. Any charts you guys want me to look at, just let me know. I'm happy to look at any charts. Yeah, just put the symbol in. Be better if I can chart it on here, right? Wolf? These are crypto, yeah? Is it wolf or land wolf? This, yeah. Let's look at it on these are really shit exchanges, man. Well, it doesn't look too bad. But honestly, I think that if crypto, it all depends on what Bitcoin does. But if Bitcoin starts losing again, we're going to come down into these levels. It did kind of gain the daily here. So it did gain the daily. This is a sign of a reversal, right? So on this one, gaining this looks okay. But I would, if you're trading this, I would have tight stops, right? You can't have your, you need to have your stops here, because this could, it could slide down here to the top side. Really, I'd just be like looking at that for the top side. Look at this area. Be looking at this for this area for the top side. Just get these over. They already kind of did the first one here, so this one is kind of tagged already. So this one is the daily failure, the daily continuation down spot is right here. And then this, yeah. So like, you know, I would just kind of be looking at these areas just for, this is probably where it's going to fail. So if you are taking trades here, you need to be targeting here. And honestly, to be safe, I would just put, you just take a profit target right as soon as you get above that. It's already going to be like pretty, I don't know where you got in this from, but like it's already 63%. You know what I mean? So as soon as you clear that, you take profit. And then you hold your runner to the top line 100%, and then you leave like 25%, and you just leave it for like, you know, leave it for a year or whatever and move along to the next one. It's kind of how that's how you're supposed to trade, you know what I mean? Like you get some profits, then you move your stop into profit. That's it. And then whatever happens, doesn't matter. You took some profits, and then, you know, sometimes most of the time you're going to get stopped out, and then every once in a while you hit it big. You said you had one other one? Brett. This Brett USDT. We already did this one before. Gaining the daily here. This looks good on a retest of this. Yeah. I like how it gained the daily. Gain the daily. So coming back down and retesting down here, it could hold the top of it. You never know. But, you know, ones that hold the top, I just don't take, you know, because I want a better entry than that. So I would be waiting for down here, and if it happens, it happens, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. So, but taking the liquidity here, you know, now it's probably going to come in for the retest and then go. And if you don't get positions down here, and even when it comes down here, you need to be looking on the 15-minute for a gain, right? So when it comes down here, down to this level, you need to be looking for like movement like this, right? Then buy it, then go, then move stop up. But it could hold this top end. You never know. I never trade the top end range. It did gain the 15 off the top end, so it could hold here and go. You don't know. It's just, this isn't a good value position. The value position is here. And as a trader, you just always take the value position, right? You always just look for the value position. There's no sense in chasing something that you know you should have been trading it down here. So if it's not in a value position, then you just don't want it. That's kind of how that's how trading works, man. Like, you are always just looking for the value position, and if you can't get it, then you just move along, man. There's a million things to trade. Like, there's literally thousands of fucking charts to look at. Just go look for a chart that suits you a little bit better. You know what I mean? But yeah, I do like how that gained the daily. So I would, you know, this would be something I would trade on a retest of the daily. So it would need to come down here first, and then down here I would look for an entry. Could even move this up a bit like that. In the really anywhere in this zone. There's this here too. Yeah, this is a pretty good level because it had 2 touches on this. So this mid-range around there. I would actually move this to here. That's kind of where I would be looking. So there's the market open, folks. Looks like Bitcoin is trying to hang on to this upper range, man. It's gonna look good for our crypto positions if they really hold this up here. Yeah, it's no worries, Ken. My pleasure, you know. I enjoy this stuff. My sushi has arrived, folks, so I'll be right back. Probably just gonna end this, so you guys have a good night, yeah? Appreciate all you guys stopping in. Thank you so much. Make sure to swing by the YouTube channel and check out the top 50 crypto review. We've been banging lately. Join the Discord if you haven't, yeah?